This video tutorial is all about the voice because our voice is often underutilized. Now, we obviously can't separate the voice from the body, so it can be useful to do a body warm-up before you do a voice warm-up, because the more relaxed our bodies are, the more relaxed our voices can be. But today I'm going to go straight into a brief vocal warm-up and then show you a couple of exercises that can help really use your voice well. So let's go into the vocal warm-up. You can start off by massaging your facial muscles. You can go all around your face, particularly the jaw area, as we can get tension here sometimes. You can also go around your head if you want to, and then you can massage down your neck. And then another great warm-up is to vocalize a yawn like this. Ah, ah. And you might even find that you actually start yawning. That really warms up all the vocal cavity. And then we can focus on some vowel sounds like this. Ma, 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 ma. Me, 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 me. Mo, 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 mo. Moo, 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 moo. And you should find that your lips and your voice start to really warm up. And now let's go into a couple of exercises. The thing that I think is very useful is to be able to vary our pitch a little bit more. So to go up more and to go down more. And we can all afford to do this. And one way to practice this comes from an exercise from singing. And don't worry, you don't have to sing. I don't sing. So we can start off with a low note and then go up to a high note and down to a low note. So taking a breath. And again. Or you can do it to the sound of R. Now obviously we wouldn't be talking at the highest of our range. That would just sound too weird, or necessarily the lowest. But when we do this exercise, we can explore our own range, and then if we do it often enough, we find that we can improve the range of our pitch, which makes it much more interesting for the listener. Another exercise I want to share with you, again, which is simple yet powerful, is a projection exercise. So I'll go straight into it now. I'm going to have my mouth closed in an sound and then open it up to an R sound, just like this. And the trick to this exercise is a couple of things. First of all, give yourself permission to make some sound, to make some noise, because we don't always do that. And second of all, make sure you open your mouth as wide as you can. So it's not about forcing or straining, it's simply releasing the voice. And if you practice that a few times, you find that you can actually speak a little bit louder when you need to. Enjoy your voice. If you've got any questions about it, please do let me know. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks very much.